Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Tricount app. First, download and install the Tricount app from the Play Store. Once the installation is complete, open the app. On the home page, you will see a plus icon that lets you add a new Tricount. Tap on that icon to begin. Here, you will see different options. You can start a new Tricount from scratch, join an existing one, or even import a Tricount from Splitwise if you have used that before. For now, tap on Start New to create a new Tricount. The app will now ask you to give your Tricount a name. Choose any name that helps you recognize the group or activity. After that, select the currency you want to use. You can pick any currency depending on where you live or where the expenses are happening. Once the currency is selected, you need to add participants. Tap on Add and enter their names one by one. These are the people who will be part of the shared expenses. When you are done adding everyone, tap on Create Tricount. You will now be taken to the Expenses section. This is where you can add all the expenses for the group. To add a new expense, tap on the plus button. Give the expense a title so you can remember what it was for. Then enter the amount that was paid. After that, you can choose how to split the amount among participants. You can split it equally, split it by parts, or split it by entering specific amounts for each person. Choose the method that fits the situation. Once everything is correct, tap on Add. Your Tricount is now ready. You can invite people to join by sharing the link for your Tricount. Thanks for watching.